Spanish perfectly, but reason to just
Wow.
If you understand Spanish perfectly, but freeze when you try to speak, you're not bad languages. And no, you don't need more grammar. What's stopping you is something nobody's plans. Let me show you exactly when this happens and how to fix it. Most people learn Spanish backwards. They consume a lot of input. Videos, podcasts, classes, so their brain gets very good at recognizing Spanish. The speaking is a completely different skill. Understanding is passive, speaking is active, and your brain doesn't automatically transfer one to the other. That's why you can't understand a native speaker. But when it's your turn to talk, your mind goes blank. The biggest mistake is waiting to feel ready to speak. That moment never comes. People think I'll speak when my grammar is perfect. I'll speak when I know more vocabulary. But fluency is not built by knowing more words. It's built by retrieving words under pressure. If you never practice retrieval, your brain never learns how to speak. Here's what actually works. First, limited output. You don't need to speak a lot. You need to speak consistently. For example, describe your day out loud for 1 minute. Answer simple questions without translating. Reuse the same structures again and again. Second, stop translating in your head. Speak badly, but speak directly in Spanish. Speed matters more than accuracy at the beginning. Third, include with intention. Don't just listen, steal phrases and reuse them immediately. That's how understanding turns into speaking. If this explains exactly what you're struggling with, comment, I understand, but I can't speak. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe. Spanish makes sense once you learn it the right way.